Hi everyone, I would like to welcome all of my old and new subscribers worldwide. Today's video will be based on another look that I've created using two Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. If you are new to my channel, I usually do my makeup while I cover topics that come to my mind. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to stick around, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. As usual, all products that I've used will be listed in the description area below. If you would like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. I usually stand up when I put my makeup on, but I went ahead and rearranged my workstation. So now I'm going to be starting off by filling in my eyebrows. Next, I'm going to be setting them into place by using my favorite eyebrow gel. Now I'm cleaning up the edges with a clean Q-tip. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you already know that the MAC Layin Low paint pot is my favorite eyeshadow base. I usually have some hot topics, but for today I just decided to focus mostly on the makeup. And going over the same topics tend to be exhausting for me. For the first palette, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to place the brown into my crease area and outer corner area. For the next step, I'm going to be using a chocolate brown eyeliner as a base for the shadow that I'm going to be placing on top of it. Now I'm blending out the edges with no additional products. This look reminds me of a similar bronze look that I've done in 2016. Now next I'm going to be blending out the edges of my crease. I love how these warm tone browns blend together so well. Now I'm taking the second Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm going to be using a peachy beige shade and placing that right on the brow bone area. From the Jackie Aina palette, I'm going to be using a bronze color called Lituation, which is a funny name, but this is a bronze color that's perfect for the fall. Now I'm hoping to achieve a halo type of effect for this look. So I'm going to continue to blend the edges. Now I'm going to be using the shade Zam from the Jackie Aina palette to use as my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to be using a dark chocolate brown liquid eyeliner to place on my top lash line. Now I'm going to be applying some mascara like so. Now I'm going to be applying some lash glue on my top lash line. I usually give that about a minute to get tacky. Now I'm going to be applying some false eyelashes that I had gotten from my local beauty supply store, and they always have some great choices for lashes. Now I'm going to be using the same eyeliner that I had placed on top of my eyelids to line my lower lash line area. These two palettes I just used make me want to create more fall looks. These palettes may be previously released, but I'm just using what I have on hand. Now I'm using that same brown eyeshadow from Aina's Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to blend out my eyeliner. Now with the same fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blending the edges like so. I love how clean it looks at the end. Now that my eyes are all done, I'm going to be using Urban Decay's All Nighter Primer to apply all over my face like so. Next, I'm going to be applying MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and I'm going to be applying it like so, especially around the areas where I need the most coverage. I may have talked about it a couple times on my channel before, but you don't always have to have new products in order to achieve certain looks. Next, I'm going to be concealing and highlighting my face by using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Tan Honey. Now I'm going to be using my custom-made Ulta Beauty palette for contouring, blush, and highlighting. I also rearranged this palette so all of my cream blushes and contouring shades would be in one place. Now next I'm going to be using a cream blush from the same palette. With the same foundation brush, I'm just going to be blending out all of the edges of the cream contour and blush. Next, I'm going to be setting my base by using Bakerie's setting powder in the shade Oat. Most products that I've used in this video are what I've had for a while, but this sponge, however, is new, and I'm trying it out for the first time. I think the sponge is kind of neat because of the way it's shaped, and I can use the edges for hard to reach spots. Now next I'm going to be setting my contour with a fan brush in Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I think this bronzer is kind of neat for contouring as well. I think that this is perfect for contouring for darker skin tones like mine. Now I'm going to be using a powder blush that matches the cream one I had used, and I'm setting that into place. Now next I'm going to be using a highlighter from the same contour blush and highlight palette that I have created. Now I'm using MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NW45, and I'm going to blend out the harsh edges of my contour, blush, and highlight. Now I'm going to be setting my base by using Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray. To prepare for lipstick, I'm going to be using MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner. To save the best for last, I'm going to be applying the Lip Bars Liquid Lipstick in the shade Commando. For this look, I wanted to achieve an ombre type of look. It's very 90s and it's very refreshing to me. Well, the look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care and stay blessed, y'all.